Now I'd like to show an example of data exploration. If you're looking for a connection between datasets but aren't sure if there is one, let's take a look. Here we have a chart that scatter plots two different datasets together. On the bottom we have a demand metric. We have requests per second. You can see there's 110,000 per second, 120,000 per second, 140,000 per second. And on the left side of the chart we have a resource metric, either CPU load average or memory usage. Right now we've checked off requests and memory. We're taking a look at request rate versus memory usage. We don't seem to see much of a connection. As the request rate goes higher and higher, the memory usage doesn't really seem to rise at the same rate. It kind of jumbles all around here and sort of like stays flat throughout the entire chart. We wouldn't say there's a strong connection here. Memory doesn't seem to be the bottleneck of this application. However, if I uncheck memory and take a look at CPU instead, we see a much tighter fit. This seems to be a connection, and CPU seems to be the bottleneck of this application. If I wanted to guess what would happen at 150,000 requests per second or 200,000, this line might be a good place to start to estimate that CPU usage. This is a form of capacity planning. I'm looking for a connection and finding it, and then able to predict what's going to happen in the future.